up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! We got some more new Lisle Tools, and I know you're like, wait a second, CP, you trying to trick us? No, I did show you these. We're going to get into the video, talk about why I'm showing these just briefly, but we got more new Lisle Tools I have to share with you. Almost having to do this twice now because they keep, I would get stuff released at different times. But anyways, let's jump in the video, stop jabbering, show you what I got. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to let you know, thank you for coming back and not clicking off the video. I appreciate that. I just wanted to let you guys know these are back in stock, and only for a short time, probably. If you guys buy them, there's, you know, I will say there's probably going to be limited quantities of these because I don't think there's as many ordered or available as the straight ones are right now. So, and I know people keep buying these things like crazy, so get on it while you can, because, you know, it is what it is. You know, if you have the Mary ones, you'll definitely love these ones, and great addition for electrical disconnect plugs because they're awesome. Also, just wanted to let you guys know these things are still rocking and rolling, and if you want some standard SAE flare nut wrench or sockets, definitely jump on. I know you diesel guys, but let's jump into the video. What should we show first? Let's show this little guy. So, Lisle has their very own, this is made in Taiwan, Cummins barring tool. And I have got to tell you, I, believe it or not, I have not had one of these, and I've borrowed one of these several times, to be honest with you, because I don't work on diesels a lot. But I'm glad I got one now because these things are fantastic and wonderful. Honestly, I wish they made all cranks like Cummins cranks, because these actually are a lot better than using hex bolt. I will say that's one thing I like about a diesel, especially Cummins, is the barring. I think the Duramax does too. But yeah, I love this. I don't remember the exact price on these, but you know, definitely affordable. Always, you know, anything that's Lisle, they don't go cutting frills and everything. We've talked about this. I did it in a video. That's why Lisle, they're out to save you money. The whole point of Lisle Tools is motto, and trust me, believe me, when I tell you this, that they are for the customer and saving at a price point, they are 100% saving at a price point and being within a market for you guys. So, but, you know, anyways, next thing we've got some USA made stuff. We've got a couple of things for heavy duty guys. Once again, this is kind of a heavy duty only, so I apologize. There's one that's not all heavy duty, but these three things right here are heavy duty, and these are 100% USA made right here in Iowa. I can vouch for them 100%, and they are brake spring tools. Now, a lot of you will probably be like, wait, CP, these have been out before, and they have, but they are now available through Lisle, and these are your truck spring tools for your Eaton springs for putting on the brakes on the backside of your drums. Try to put in a little bit of better picture into the video, but yeah, they are for slotted ends to hold the spring so that you can use the leverage against the brake. I've seen a ton of guys using these. These are like the standard tool in all your heavy duty stuff there. You guys, everybody, it's like, I think that's like a tool. This is a tool that basically, these two brake spring tools are basically standard for working on any heavy duty fleet maintenance, whatnot. These are like standard issue brake spring tools for doing stuff like this. I have only done it once. Not gonna lie, I'm not a heavy duty guy. I've said this before, guys. I don't do a lot of heavy duty stuff, but I do work on tractors and dump trucks and stuff when I need to for personal use or for friends' use. I do live in a farming community. You know, we do have semis, and people use semis to haul grain and stuff like that. So it's not uncommon for a buddy of mine to say, hey, do you have a tool, or can you help me do this? And I'm absolutely all for trying something different. So I love having the ability to use these tools and have them. But they're solid core tools. Very nice. Once again, USA made. No, we got a nylon nut on here to hold it. Nothing. A little squeaky, but they'll break in. You know, you want them a little tight. You know, it's just like when you buy a new pew. You got to break her in to get her going. So and an affordable price. Last thing that we have from Lisle is for trucks, light duty trucks. This tool has been out, but we've added on adapters now because 2011 to 2500 and 3500 and 2013 Colorados and 2019 1500 upper control arms and 2021 and newer require these 4 different camber tools. Now, I don't know where this is made, to be honest with you, because this does not say. So well, that would be indicative to tell me that this is, I know for a fact part of this is made in Iowa, because I just know. I've seen the manufacturing. We have this nice wrench with an odd little swirl to it, which is for camber adjustments. Now, if you guys know and you've done camber adjustments, I will put a video in here. But this is your standard camber adjustments on your new ones, like the truck I drive, for your later model 2000 GMs and whatnot. This is for your Colorados and your 2013 or 2013 newer Colorados. You got to have these camber tools to adjust camber for alignment. And then these are your new ones, 2021 and newer deals. And these are definitely all made. I know for a fact these are all made here in Iowa. Let me get this out of the way. And this is a handy tool to have. Once again, I don't know the price on this stuff because I don't look it up necessarily. It's 24 millimeter on the wrench. The wrench itself, nothing flashy. I doubt this is probably a Taiwanese wrench, but I'm not sure. Usually they don't put where it's made on it if it's made half and half anymore, because it's just dumb. But I know these for a fact are 100% probably made right here in Iowa, because they do a lot of cutting this plate steel like this here. So I know the company that does it. Anyways, definitely affordable and definitely something you want to have if you're doing alignments, working on GM stuff. It's kind of a GM heavy duty haul, because this is all related to GM, brake springs, and then of course electrical and your fuel injection injecting line sockets. So I kept it really quick and dirty because we did a Lisle tool haul last week, but just wanted to get the new stuff out here for you guys. Let you know that these pliers are in stock, and I would definitely jump on buying them because they're going to be wiped out. I just have a feeling they're going to be wiped right out, and you're going to want to jump on them. And they were already wiped out once from you guys. I'm not going to lie to you. A couple hundred already sold out. So anyways, guys, that's the video, quick and dirty for you. Hope you liked it. If you did, give me a like down in the comment section. Or give me a like and then comment in the comment section. Let me know what you want to see different. You know, try to add in some video of this. Obviously, I didn't have an alignment on a GM right now when these came out. But I have used this tool before. This is a standard one. They work just fine. The camber, you know, if you guys don't understand, I'll try to add in some clips here to show you. But this is probably the most useful tool for me in this new Lisle release. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.